Out here at Tamarack, ready to sketch today. It's a pretty nice day out here, so I'm going to set up and get some sketching done. This is all woods, hard to see back in there. It's woods and tangles of branches. Recently received some items from Lochby. Yep. That's the field journal, and then the venture pouch. This is sent to me from the good folks over there at Lochby, and I also have the tool roll. There it is there. So, Lochby travel pouch. It's got a nice handle here, as you can see. It's got zippers all over, which are great. Good spot here for your pencils, pens, anything like that, right inside there. Looks good. It's about like a half zip, I guess. 3/4 zip. And then in here you've got the full pouch, as you can see here, which is awesome. And then it's got these two rings here, these D rings here, and you could attach that, you know, with molly straps or just as a fanny pack on a belt or something like that. That's pretty cool. So you could be pretty highly mobile with this thing, which is great. And it's got a handle here, which is really nice. You can see that. It's great. And it's got I love these clips on their bags. The tool roll that I have, this is awesome. This is like aircraft grade aluminum, which is really nice. So you just pull that open. It's an ingenious design because it buckles right in. So it's really nice. Then you open this thing up. I love the material too, by the way. Here's a pouch here. It's got a Velcro fastener there, but you can put stuff inside this little exterior pouch. Everything is like double, triple stitched, which is really nice with these bags. It's just high quality. These are made in Vietnam. If you open up the journal, it looks like this. And then it comes with, I think, a Lochby journal, like a dot card journal here, which is nice. I brought my own homemade sketchbook along just to see if I could, you know, how that would fit in there and stuff like that. So we're just going to stick that in here. There's these strings here that are meant to go in the spine of the book there to hold it in. So I'll do that. I'll use that. So just like that. Good, 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 good. Yep, closes right up. These page markers are great as well. So it's got this little ribbon page markers here. So tuck those in to the book. There we go. And we'll close it up. There's room here too. All these little pouches can hold pens or pencils. You can put some in there. But really, why would you if you had the tool roll along with you, which is great. So I'll look at that in a second. This closes right up very nicely. You can see there. No problem. It's a creativity sandwich in there. So then this is also adjustable, by the way, this the binder, the clip here. So once I got the book in there, I'm just going to put the clip on. I'm going to clip that right in there. just like that. Everything's secure. There's a loop here too for a pen. And like I said, there's this handle. So it's great. It's got this water resistant covering or cloth on it, which is nice. It's almost like the stuff you'd find on a kind of a rain slicker or jacket from the Outback. It's like that. These come in different colors too. I happen to like this brown, but the blue looked cool as well. One cool thing I discovered about the Lochby travel pouch, you unzip that, a watercolor palette kit fits perfectly. So this happens to be my watercolor kit, and it's a Schlenka palette, and it fits absolutely perfect in there, which I thought was pretty neat. I don't know if it was purpose built for that. Nice job, Lochby, because it fits perfect in there. I don't know, you might be able to get a bigger palette in there. Certainly you could get a smaller, like, whiskey palette. Yep, it's pretty awesome.